2015 Challenger. We're doing a fuel pump. This is a 3.6, but it doesn't really matter. So the only reason I'm doing this is because there's one thing that you need to know that you might not find if you're looking for a video on instructions on how to do this. And at least they don't simplify it. You got to rewire this fuel pump if you put a new one in. And you can see here's the old connector, blue and red, that's the power. The second one is the signal wire, or pardon me, the second one is the ground wire. The third one is the signal wire. That one is being swapped with where the ground is. So if you don't, just one last time, all right? So hot here, all the way at the end, we're keeping that one the same, right? The one next to it is the ground. We're not keeping that the same. We're moving it to the third one. So the other fat one here in the center, other fat orange one. And then the third wire is the one that goes in between those two orange wires. So if you look at this one, I've only done those three. So the other two are going to remain the exact same. I hope that helps.